Hey, Man of the Mayhem here, how are we all doing today? So, today I've got a package, and this package is to do with the Flipper Zero. So, I've made an order for some stuff from a chap called Harry, who runs an Etsy store based in the UK called FZ Boards UK, and there'll be a link to them in the description. I've wanted to get some dev boards for a while for the Flipper Zero, but the issue that I've always had is they're all from outside of the UK, and I don't want to sit and experiment myself. I want something kind of pre-built and ready, raring to go, without having to pay extortionate postage costs or have to pay for import fees. So here they are, let's have a look. So I've not actually opened this box yet, so I'm looking forward to seeing what's inside. So it looks like it's been well packaged, lots of bubble wrap in there to make sure everything stays safe and sound. No wastage with packaging materials there. So let's get this cardboard box out of the way. Now we have our nice little ball wrapped package. So I ordered 2 boards from Harry at FZ Boards. I have got, which is nice to see, in anti-static bags, a FZ Boards UK CC101 for doing sub-GHz and boosting those sort of frequencies. And I've also got the NRF24 for doing some Bluetooth hacking as well. So as you can see, both of these boards have come really, really well packaged. They've got some nice bits of foam to protect the prongs, and I went for the 90-degree bracket so that when I put them to Flipper Zero, they're going to fit really, really nicely. Let's get all this foam off. We'll see if I can zoom you in. Alright, so now that we're zoomed in, let's just focus on the one board at a time. So this is the CC101, 433 Hz. It looks like it is just a board that's dropped onto a dev board and then ready and raring to go. All nicely soldered, looks like no dry joints, which is really nice to see. Everything's looking fine and dandy. So I'm going to grab the flipper now and see how well that fits onto there. Now, even with my case on, that fits absolutely beautiful. And the reason why I went for this style profile is I've really wanted to make it so that I can keep the flipper as small profile as possible. Unlike some of my other boards that I've got that end up coming off and being quite large in comparison. So here's my flipper, and here's how they fit onto the actual top. And as you can see, they fit really, really nicely. They keep it really, really small profile and look really quite smart. I really, really like the black silk screen that we have here. Let's just pull this off. As you can see here, we've got Find Me on Etsy, FS Boards UK. We've got this nice little logo here, and it all seems to be working fine and dandy. This one is the NRF24. As you can see, really nice and tidy. Got a nice antenna that bends for our 2.4 GHz. And then once again, same at the back here. So basically what we have here is the same board that everything connects to, and then we've got 2 separate chips that have been soldered onto that. I think what I might do in future is desolder these and put on some headers so I can hot swap them, keep one board and then take both chips with me. But this is going to nicely increase my arsenal when it comes to doing my Flipper Zero, to increase my range in sub-GHz and to start being able to play around with some 2.4 Bluetooth. What I will say is Harry has got a Discord group called FZ Boards UK Community. He's very active on there and is looking for ideas and people to work with making new boards and developing new stuff. He's also very, very quick and efficient at getting the devices out to you, and as you can see, they were very well packaged and very well made. I'll put a link to his store in the description, and if you want to get that 20% discount on any order over £20, it is MITM20 at the checkout, Man of the Mayhem 20 for that 20% off at the checkout. Feel free to subscribe if you want to see some more videos about hacking content, and hopefully with some board demos shortly. I hope you enjoyed this quick unboxing. I'm going to be demoing these boards shortly and hopefully sharing some capabilities and some exploits with them. Happy hacking and see you next time.